Ecological succession. Ecological succession is the observed process of change in the species structure of an ecological community over a period of time. Ecosystems are constantly changing. Each new community makes it harder for the previous community to survive.
In addition to that, ecological succession is a predictable and an inevitable process of nature, as all the biotic components have to keep up with the changes in our environment. All the communities that we observe today around us has undergone succession over a period of time since their existence. Thus, we can say that evolution is a process that takes place with that of ecological succession.
There are two main types of ecological succession: the primary succession and the secondary succession. Now, let's see how this succession takes place.
Primary succession is the two types of biological and ecological succession of plant life, occurring in an environment in which new substrate devoid of vegetation and other organisms usually lacking soil, such as a long flow or area left from retreated glacier is deposit.
Primary succession occurs when new land is formed or bare rock is exposed, providing a habitat that can be colonized for the first time.
In addition, primary succession happens when a new patch of land is created or exposed for the first time. This can happen, for example, when lava cools and creates new rocks, or when a glacier retreats and exposes rocks without any soil. During primary succession, organisms must start from scratch. First, lichens might attach themselves to rocks, and a few small plants able to live without much soil might appear. These are known as pioneer species.
Secondary succession. It is when an existing ecosystem that has been destroyed or disturbed. This restarts the cycle of succession, but not back to the beginning. Soil and nutrients are still present. This disturbance can actually be healthy for an area over time because they can lead to increased biodiversity.
Now, let's look at this example of renewal after diseases. Secondary succession occurs in areas where the existing ecosystem has been wiped out by disease outbreaks. Even if a disease is catastrophic for a single species, it greatly influences the existing plants and other species in the ecosystem. However, the roots or seeds of some plants may still exist in the existing soil, causing secondary succession. Similarly, the removal of one group of a species may allow colonization by another group that was previously competing with the previous colonizer. Secondary succession under this condition promotes biodiversity within an environment by allowing new and diverse groups of organisms to inhabit the environment.
Until a orgasm population is attained, this community gradually replaces one another. Changes in the physical environment and the species population cause ecological succession. It may also happen when environment conditions change dramatically and abruptly. For instance, environmental conditions are significantly altered by human activity, windstorm, and forest fires.